Is without a doubt one of life's most incredible journeys. But wow, does it ask a lot from your body and mind. So today we're going to talk about a really powerful way to find some support and relief during this time: prenatal massage. Let's get right into the key benefits.
This quote just nails it, doesn't it? Pregnancy is this amazing, transformative time, but let's be real, that joy and anticipation often come with a whole lot of physical and emotional strain. And that's exactly when self-care stops feeling like a luxury and becomes, well, absolutely essential. Which leads us perfectly into our first section here, looking at the beautiful demands of pregnancy. We're going to explore the incredible work your body is doing and see exactly how taking care of you is actually one of the best ways to support your baby. I mean, just stop and think about that for a second. Your body is literally building a whole new person. That is an unbelievable amount of work. And prenatal massage, it's one of the best ways to give back to your body, helping you feel calmer, more comfortable, and really just more connected to all the changes that are happening.
Okay, so where do you feel the benefits first? Well, let's start with the physical stuff. This next part is all about how prenatal massage can bring some real, tangible relief from the strains of carrying a child. Yeah, so what about those aches and pains? If you've ever been pregnant, you know exactly what we're talking about, right? That nagging tension in your lower back, the ache in your hips, that heavy feeling in your legs. It's super common, but the good news is you don't just have to put up with it.
And this is what I find so interesting. It's a whole chain reaction. As your body changes, your posture has to shift, right? And that's what causes all that strain and muscle tension to build up. But a good therapist can zero in on those specific spots, release that tension, and help bring your body back to a sense of balance and flexibility. It's pretty amazing.
And it's not just about your muscles. Massage does wonders for your circulation too. That helps with that common swelling you get in your feet and ankles. But here's the really crucial part. Better circulation means more oxygen and more nutrients are getting delivered not just to you, but directly to your baby. So a win-win. Okay, so we've talked about the body, but the benefits definitely don't stop there. Let's shift gears and look at how all that physical relief can lead to a really profound sense of calm for your mind. This is honestly so fascinating. A good calming massage can actually help change your body's chemistry. It works to lower stress hormones like cortisol, while at the same time, it helps your body release more serotonin and dopamine, which are basically your body's own natural feel-good chemicals. It's like a powerful emotional reset button. Oh, I just love this quote because it really ties everything together. That feeling of relaxation you get on the massage table, it isn't just for you. When your body feels calm, your mind follows, and that sense of peace is actually shared with your baby. It's this incredible shared moment of tranquility. And of course, what's one of the greatest gifts you can get from a calm mind and body? Better sleep, which, let's face it, can be so hard to come by during pregnancy. By easing that tension and soothing your nervous system, a massage can really prepare you for that deep, restorative rest you desperately need. It can even become this comforting little ritual for you during a time of so much change. All right, so by now you might be thinking, okay, this sounds great, but is it safe? How often should I go? Totally fair questions. This next part is all about answering those key practical things you need to know, so you can feel completely confident and informed. And let's start with the big one. This is without a doubt the most important question on anyone's mind. And the answer is a big yes. It is absolutely safe, as long as a few important conditions are met. First, you have to make sure your therapist is certified in prenatal massage. They have special training in gentle techniques and supportive positioning. Also, it's generally recommended that you wait until after the first trimester is over. So, how often should you go? Well, this chart is a pretty handy guide. In the early months, a monthly session can be fantastic for managing those initial changes. But then, as you get into that final trimester, when the discomfort and strain really ramp up, bumping it up to every other week or even weekly can give you that consistent relief you're craving. But wait a second. Can't you just get a regular massage? It's a really common question, and the answer is so important. No, a prenatal massage is specifically designed for the unique needs of pregnancy. And here's why it's so different. It's all about adapting. Therapists use special cushions and pillows to position you so you're never lying flat on your stomach or your back. The techniques themselves are also modified. They're gentler, and they avoid certain pressure points to make sure the whole experience is not just deeply comfortable, but 100% safe for you and the baby. Okay, let's bring this all home in our final section. Think of prenatal massage not just as something that feels good in the moment, but really as a gift of self-care. It's an investment in yourself as you get ready for labor and for everything that comes next.
And yeah, the benefits don't just stop when the pregnancy ends. They can help you right up to childbirth. Remember that balance and flexibility we mentioned earlier? Well, by keeping the key muscles in your hips and lower back relaxed and pliable, regular massage can actually help prepare your body for the physical demands of labor. It's all about going into that experience feeling as ready as possible. When it comes down to it, this is really the heart of the matter. Nurturing yourself with something like a prenatal massage, it's not selfish at all. In fact, it's one of the most foundational acts of love you can give, and it benefits both you and your baby in so many ways.
So, we'll just leave you with this to think about. During life's biggest, most transformative moments, where do we find our space to just pause, breathe, and restore ourselves? It's one of the most powerful questions we can ask. Thanks so much for joining us for this